GE Smart Shades Review. Premium DIY smart shades that bring Savant-Level design to every home. GE Smart Shades combine Savant technology, Matter support, quiet motors, and rechargeable batteries with easy DIY installation. Testing found impressive performance despite some Matter issues and a hard-to-reach button. GE Smart Shades start at $299.99, offering Matter and Thread, major smart home integrations, quiet motors, 6-month rechargeable batteries, premium fabrics, a remote and easy DIY installation. GE Smart Shades offer Matter over Thread, Alexa, Google Home, Apple Home, and SmartThings support. A remote quiet motor, 6-month battery, magnetic charging, 2 fabrics and colors, starting at $299.99. GE Smart Shades feel premium with aluminum trim, durable fabric, and hidden mounts for a custom look. Blackout performance is strong, though inside mounting allows more edge light than Lutron or Bringnox. GE's guide simplifies sizing. Choose inside mounts for a clean look or outside mounts for better blackout and privacy. Measure width at top, middle, and bottom, use the smallest figure and order equal or smaller. Each shade has 76 inches of fabric with height limits set by remote. GE Smart Shades stand out for exceptionally easy installation, proving significantly simpler to install than most motorized shades we've tested, including Lutron and Bringnox. The box includes the Smart Shade, mounting plate, paired remote, magnetic charger, and mounting hardware. Installation also requires basic tools like a drill, level, stud finder, and measuring tape. The pre-paired remote lets you set custom upper and lower limits after installation, adjusting the shade's 76-inch fabric to fit your window without ordering a custom height. GE claims up to 6 months of battery life. The rechargeable shades use an adjustable magnetic charger for easy connection to the recessed USB port and take about 6 hours to fully recharge.
Go to GearBrain for more information.